Hello guys, today I'll show you how to flood this file in AutoCAD from the DWG to PDF. So remember, this is not 2D. Mostly we flood to PDF for a 2D, but this file is 3D. So it just show you, yeah, not standard, not formal. So I will flood this 3D. So to flood this 3D, you go to this, you see letter A here. This is the logo, and click on print. So name this, no need, and name here. So you flood it to PDF, yes. So the file is here, DWG to PDF. Just click on here. So this option, no need. And paper size, what paper that you wanna convert to PDF. So you want to be A4. So A4. So this is the opposite, yeah. Height. Wait. Yeah, this A4. Or you wanna click on another. This. It's up to you. And then this is click center. Make it in the middle of the A4. And this is click window. And this is our object, our project that we draw. So click on the whole project, this, and OK. So before you flood it, you must review. If you sure, you click OK. But if you're not sure, click preview here. See, it's in the middle, yeah, middle of the A4. I told you already, this is 3D. That's why it's black. It's no dimension, no number around apple that we draw. Okay, press exit, ASC on the keyboard, exit. So after you preview it's done, click OK. So it asks you where you want to store the file. What type of file? PDF. So I want to store in desktop. Okay, here, file name AutoCAD. So you want to rename it. I want to name this iPhone model. Click save. See? So this is our file that we generate to PDF. Or you wanna click see in this is the location that I saved. Click on it. Yeah. That's nice, cool. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for the next video. Bye bye.